to the dock. Now we've used our bracket as a template to pre-drill our holes where each bolt will go. You need to pay careful attention that this bracket has enough clearance for the mast to slip past the outside edge of the dock. Now we will put our bolts in. Half inch bolt with a flat washer goes into each hole. Flat washer, a lock washer, and a nut underneath.